Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to install 7-zip on Windows 11. So firstly guys, you have to open any web browser. Now here type 7-zip. Click on 7-zip download. Now here click on this first link. Now here guys, you will see type and system. So if you are using 64-bit, so click on this first link. And if your system is 32-bit, so select this second link. I am using 64, so I need to select this download link. Now once this setup file will be downloaded completely, double click on, then click on install, then click on close. And that's it. So like this guys, by this simple and very easy steps, we can install and we can download 7-zip on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.